We start with 1 hour chart. Just want to give a quick update. The only thing is if we refer to our analysis, we see the breakout of the previous top because we mentioned we are looking to see the breakout of the 26 cent. As we can see, the price broke. Now we want to see what's the next, whether this is a correction for continuation or not. Anyway, we start with daily chart. And if we refer to our analysis, we mentioned we need to see the breakout of the 26 falling by 30 cent because we mentioned with the breakout of the 30 and 35, which is the previous top, the targets we're looking for is 40 and 40, 41 and 48 cent as a short term. This is what we have been looking for. Anyway, right now, the most important thing is to see the breakout of the 30 cent flowing by 35 cent. All right. Anyway, if we refer to our analysis, we mentioned since the price was within this move, we draw this line and we mentioned we want to see whether the price can break the previous top, mostly 26 cents or not. And as we can see, price broke the 26. I know the question is whether this is the start of the up move or we can expect to get one more drop and this one turn to flat. All right. Anyway, we are not looking for sell, we're looking for buy and we can extend this one. The only times we can look for sell if we see the breakout of this trend line, but we should know that we are not using this trend line to look for trade. All right. And what we can expect, even the price drop tag and continue, if the price continue as a corrective, similar to what I draw here, similar to what we get here, mostly any trade will be a short-term trade. Okay. Now, again, whether this is the start of the up move or we should wait for one more drop before we get the next, that means this one turned to flat, we cannot confirm. And we don't need to wait for this option. Any opportunity for buy, we will take it. But if it's not moving, we are not going to keep the trade. That means we consider it as a short term because right now we want to see whether the price can break 30 cents or not, the most important things. And with the breakout of the 26, right now we're looking at this correction and simply we can expect the price drop and even this one turn to flat. And even if the price dropped and tag this line, then any reversal as a short move flag, this is where we can take the trade, right? Now, how about if the price continue from here? Whether we can get any trade within this one, we want to see based on lower time frame. And based on forward chart, I don't see any trade setup. But even right now, based on forward chart, for me, based on forward chart, if I want to look for trade, I want to see the drop reversal. All right, because at that times I will see whether the price can break this trend line or not, and how to draw this trend line, whether the traders they want to put here, they consider as a shadow or they put as a what I draw right now, it depends on them. But what I prefer to put here, all right, just because as I said, this lines is indicative. We are not using the lines to look for trade. And even we mentioned the breakout of the line, the only times we can consider the breakout sharp move as a sharp move, not the corrective flowing by correction. This is where we can take the trade because at that times we will look for this flat. All right, we're looking for this flat. We are not looking for to see the breakout of the line. And if I move to 1 hour chart, as I say, right now we don't have any trade set up either for buy or sell. Okay, and if the price drop, we confirm with this one, at least retest the previous low in relative to this. Any reversal, we can take the trade. And right now, even if we get the reversal as a from here, without the retest the previous low, we wait for the reversal with the breakout of 0.275 following by flag. This is where we take the trade. Okay, then can we put our entry above here? It can be an option, but it's not really good. Okay, anyway, we don't see really good trade setup. And from what I can see here, if I move to forward chart, we can look for continuation as a corrective. That's why any trade will be short term. That's why if we get any opportunity for buy, we see is not moving, we are not going to give the trade for long term because we can expect to see this flat. Whenever I'm highlighting about this flat, all right, the only things I want to highlight, if we want to look for buy, we should know about this. That means if we get the trade for buy, we see is not moving, we should know about this possibility. At least we should move our stop loss to break even. If there is a rejection or reversal, at least we are safe. All right. Anyway, the most important things, I need to see the breakout of the 30 at this point. And in this case, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.